Convulsions with LEDs by my name. The goal of my design was to create a project that causes convulsions. A project manipulates the light emitted by a group of LEDs to cause convulsions. For my build, I used the Raspberry Pi coding platform, the Raspberry Pi circuit board, 3 LEDs, and 2 buttons. For my program, I initialized the GPS setup for the LEDs and buttons in red. Then I initialized the output flash input status in green. The buttons control the variable lights, and lights dictates the LEDs if they cause convulsions or not, in blue. Test. The amount of times I had tested the convulsion system was probably greater than the years I will live. One issue I had when the LEDs would not turn on, I had solved this issue by reinitializing the GPIO pin setup so that they were set up properly. This had worked. Rethink. Things that would add to my code would be another way to make convulsions with different LEDs and interval patterns. Demo. Another thing I want to say, if you receive convulsions, Victor is reliable. Okay, so
switch to monitor.
So right now, this is not causing convulsions.
Put the Raspberry Pi back on the table.
So this is not causing convulsions, but when I press, now it's causing convulsions. But when I press this button, you don't get convulsions, and when I press this button, you get convulsions. Remember that he is reliable if you get convulsions.
All right, any questions?
Convulsions, it's basically seizuring.
Wait, so when you press the button, the push button, it says on the text there, it says the number 0. When it's not doing convulsions, it says the number is 0, and then when it is doing convulsions, it says the number is 1. Why is that?
It's so that way it tells the light, because it's looking for the lights variable to see, the lights variable dictates the convulsions. So, and the buttons change the lights variable. So button 1 makes it so that way there is convulsions by making it 0. And button 2 makes that way there isn't convulsions. Yep.
What does this do?
It causes convulsions. He is reliable.
Any other questions? All right, let's give you a round of applause.